Alright, welcome to a quick tour of the college semester home template that I made for Notion. So the template really has two sides. It's the course pages on this side and the administrative pages on this side. All of the course pages are the same, so once you learn one, you will know all of them. The course pages have three different types of items, which is lesson notes, assignments, and exams. All of the pages work the same way. Once you can take notes in one of them, you can take notes in all. So for lesson notes, you can put the name of the lecture or topic here. You can add headings. You can type text, just to show you how quickly that is to do. Right. Now, if you need more of these, you just need to duplicate them as you need it. So come here, click duplicate, and you get more. Just rename it. You could also use keyboard shortcuts, which make it faster. As many as you need. Here is just a place to put all your lecture information, so you won't have to reference your course outline every single time you need to find the email address or office hours, etc. The exam topic tracker is really when you're going on to final exams or midterms. Type the name of your courses here, type the topics you need to study. When you finish one, just check it off. And lastly, we have the assignment master list. This list shows each course in a separate table, and every item labeled assignment or exam will show up here, as well as the dates, etc. So from this page, you can see all of the assignments for all your courses, find out when everything due, and make sure that nothing getting left behind, etc. When you finish something, you can check it off just to take it off your list. So that's a basic tour and introduction of this template, and I hope it is helpful to you.